my fucking truck.
Alright guys, welcome back to the Ozone. Get you guys a little bit of box action. I went to my storage unit. Said I gotta go through, start sorting some of these shoes. I'll never hit the end. I remembered I had these on an episode doing the ozone treatment. I did the ozone stain protector. To let you know what these is. These are the Air Jordan 1 KO High OG Platinum White and Metallic Silvers, aka the Quilted Northerns. Like I said, I did the ozone stain treatment. There's sneaker shields in here, and I did the ozone treatment to the bottom. This is my second wearing pair. I never got around to wearing this pair, so it's still dead stock. I bust it out. The box was getting a little bit damaged. Looked like I got a little bit of furries in there. You know how the stuff gets into the box in storage, but I'd always check it out. They still get dusty somehow. I don't know how it is, but they still get dusty. It's a pretty good shoe. I never numbered it. That's what I realized after I did the episode. I never numbered or wore this shoe, so I said I got to at least get around to numbering it. I just packed it back up after we did everything. But like I said, this shoe has our first ozone water protector, stain protector. The shoe is basically invincible, man. It's just a beautiful shoe. It's just a beautiful shoe. Let me give you guys some top action so you can see these quilts. The whole shoe is quilted. It's just a really good shoe. Let me give you guys some light off action. Quick spin with the light off. Oh, it's not a bad shoe at all, guys. Not a bad shoe at all. I hope guys can see this quilting. The whole shoe is quilted all the way around. And like I said, it has the ozone sole protector. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's a little plastic coating. And of course you can see the skid pads. Alright. I don't know what year I got this shoe, but I love Air Jordan KOs. I have about every pair. Let's get on to the next shoe, guys. Alright, let's get on with the next shoe, guys. Let's get you a little bit of box action. This is the Adidas Superstar Arizona. Chalk white, and chalk white. Even though that's not what it is, they label the box that. Take out this information. It just has the person that sent it to me information on here. And they need to take out one of these shoes. You guys gonna have to trust me that there's a pair of black laces in the other shoe. I don't feel like taking them all out. This is an eBay purchase. I hope you guys will be able to see the eBay tag. I got this shoe. Anybody who's from the hood has to have a pair of these shoes, because you know you've been drinking some of that Arizona green tea. Let me put this lace bag in. You guys see they come with lace bags that look with laces that look like the Arizona iced tea can. Let me bust the can out while I do this. I forgot I got a can for you guys in case you've never been to the hood. This is the can that the shoe is supposed to be modeled after. I'll give you guys a little look at the can. You see the can back there? See the shoe here? It's the same. Alright, so this is the extra sweet green tea. You get pink laces. Like I said, Adidas doesn't put the laces in a bag. I guess this is the benefit of you getting this lace bag with the green tea laces. Like I said, this is an eBay purchase. You guys see the back. Try to get around the can of death back there. It's a very beautiful shoe. Got this shoe on eBay for a steal from a great seller. I was looking for a pair. I had a normal pair of cops, but I got rid of those. Let somebody else buy those. So I needed to get me another pair. I think I maybe even have bought these for under retail, but I'm not 150% sure. I think it was under retail. All of this is embroidered to have an ice day. The other shoe says something different. I just don't want to take it out, but there's a pair of black laces in there. You get the Arizona Adidas back. Like I said, extra lace bags. Translucent bottom. Just the all-around great shoe. All-around great shoe. And you get the have a ice day. Lace dongle or lock, whatever you want to call it down there. Like I said, an eBay pair. Woo! It's just an all-around great shoe, guys. If you like Arizona iced tea, or if you like Adidas, make sure you pick up a pair of these. Let's get on with the last pair of shoes, guys. Alright. Let's get you guys a little bit of box action. See this box. A lot of you haven't seen this box before. Saying you want to see different boxes. Anybody who didn't get anything for Air Max week. Because a lot of people tell me they sold out. You guys saw what happened to me when I was live copping. I'm just thankful that I have a network of people to ensure that I get my shoes that I need or want. We all really don't need all these shoes. We just really want them. But you guys know what I'm saying. Didn't even tell you what this shoe is. This is the Air Max 95 NYCs, a.k.a. the University Gold and Black Air Max 95s. Just get my Air Max collection up some more. I usually don't buy Air Max shoes, especially Air Max 95s. I'm just getting into these now. I usually get an Air Max 90 if I'm going to get a Air Max. They just never really appealed to me. I was always a Jordy or Forums guy, maybe some shell toes. I'm not really into the Yeezys, even though I own most of the Yeezys that came out. I like the Yeezys that came out under Nike. So if you see me wearing Yeezys, those are the ones I have. Just started messing with Adidas. I didn't really like those Yeezys too much. I like the Yeezy 350s. But I still don't know if I ever wear any. But back to this shoe. This shoe is a very good shoe. I got this shoe because it reminds me of New York City cabs. I can see a little NYC patch there. It's supposed to be another patch on this shoe. I have to go look for it. It's supposed to say locally known, worldwide something. I don't know if you guys seen it, but that was on the advertisement for the shoe. But it's not attached to this shoe anywhere I see. But gonna end the video here, guys. Make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. Let me know what shoes you want to see next. Let me see what shoes that you guys are liking. Remember to stay safe and keep growing your collections out there, guys. Everybody fucking jump!